Today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Whoscall app. So just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just click it on settings here. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here, you keep going down. So then you come here to show SMS text contact directly. Then all you have to do now, so you just come here to show SMS text content directly. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean show SMS text content directly disable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like